What is socialism? Doges live in Dogegrad, and they have socialism. Every Doge can have bones in a doghouse, but they aren't his, they are ours. The Doge didn't buy this doghouse. He lives here because the government allowed him to live here. This is called public ownership. One Doge gets tired of going to work and decides to start his own business, but that's forbidden. Then can he move to a country where it is allowed? No. Well, that's it. That's his whole story. Now he's facing a job at his beloved factory that he can't quit, working a 9 to 5, 5 days a week until the day he dies. Why does everyone work? So they don't starve to death. Because if a Doge dies, that would be sad. How to become successful? You don't. What does the government do? The government decides everything for the Doge. It tells the Doge when to wake up, where to go, and how much to bark. The government gives the Doge a bowl, takes the bowl back, and puts down a new bowl if that was the plan. The government counts the bones and tells the Doge where to live. The government decides what hat the Doge wears in the winter and what collar he wears in the summer. The government chooses how much bones will cost. It can raise the prices on bones and then raise them again, just because it can, because the Doge has no choice. If a Doge wants more bones or wants his own little bone shop, the government says no. But to decide so many things, there must be a lot of bureaucrats. Yes, if you think your country has a lot of bureaucrats, after declaring socialism, there will be 10 times more of them. Pros of socialism. Overall, if you aren't too talented or you don't want to become a dollar millionaire, then it's not that bad. A Doge will have at least one bone and one bowl. The Doge doesn't have to think. Cons. No choice of bones, you can't move, no opportunity to get rich. Well, after watching this video, you've become almost as smart as a political science graduate. Subscribe to the channel and drop a like.